Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So, is crypto mining more profitable than showing ads on your website? So, this is a question that hit me recently because I was browsing my shop here on Code Revolution and I saw that I have some old plugins here that are available for sale. So these are some crypto mining plugins. So one example is WebMinePool plugin here. So the WebMinePool virtual crypto farm plugin for WordPress. So what this plugin will do is that it will allow your visitors to use their own processing power, so their own computer's processing power, to mine cryptocurrencies for you. So instead of showing ads, you can show a form or a pop-up where the visitor can click start and they will be able to mine cryptocurrencies for you. So this idea started back in 2018 when it had its golden age. So everyone was doing it, and most of the sites had similar scripts embedded. And yeah, back in the days it was hardcore because webmasters added these scripts to the sites, and they added them so they automatically start when the visitor would load up the page. And because of this, the scripts would automatically mine cryptocurrencies, usually Monero. Monero was the cryptocurrency that could be mined using these scripts. And people were accessing sites and they saw that their CPU were firing up when they loaded up these sites, and they were wondering why is this happening, because they got no visual pop-up or any warning that any cryptocurrency mining would be happening in the background if they were accessing a specific site. And because of this, ad blockers were reacting and saying that, hey, this is also like an ad, so crypto mining is becoming also like an ad, so let's block it. And even more, antivirus software are also reacting, and they say that, hey guys, what is happening there in the background of the page? Are you using the CPU power of visitors without asking, and with this CPU power you are mining crypto? So they told back in the days in 2018 that, hey, this is not okay, let's flag these scripts as malware. So even though they are not practically malware because they just mine cryptocurrencies using the CPU power of the website visitors, the antivirus software were flagging these scripts as malware and were blocking or attentioning people that were using these scripts that, hey, this website is using malware, and they automatically making some crypto mining using your CPU power. So yeah, this is how the downfall of crypto mining on websites happened. So back in 2018 it was the golden age, everyone was using it and nobody complained. And when the antivirus software and ad blockers started to react, it had a downfall because it no longer worked for people who had an antivirus software installed. So let me show you how the plugin works. So this is the WebMinePool plugin. I already set it up, and let me show you on the front end how it looks. So the plugin will add this bar to the top side of the page, and visitors can select how many threads they allow the plugin to use and how many processing power in percentage per each thread they allow to use. So you can set here 100%, and with 4 threads. This is the maximum power for my CPU because I have a 4 core processor. So let us hit start, and we can see here that hashes count and total hashes will begin to increase. So we mine with 13 hashes per second, and total number of hashes is increasing like this. So this is working faster on stronger CPUs and slower on lower end CPUs. And yeah, right now I am earning Monero because this plugin is running and it is mining using my CPU power. So let's stop this just to make sure that my recording keeps working, because I am not sure if I run this on full power. Maybe let's run it only on one thread with 10% throttling. Okay, so this is how the plugin was used to replace ads with this new idea. So the idea was genius. It was a great idea because using this you could replace the old ads on your site with this new crypto mining feature, which was really great. However, it was abused of, it was used without consent, it was used too much, and it was draining visitor CPU, and because of this people were actually complaining, and antivirus software also flagged it as malware. So yeah, this is all for this video. I had to do a video about this, speaking about how crypto mining was a thing in the browsers of websites, in website browsers in 2018, and how this died since then. Thank you for watching this video until then, and go check the crypto mining plugin I just showed you in this video's description. Maybe you will be interested in giving it a try, even though, yeah, crypto mining is no longer such a hype in 2020. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.